This 2026 Keystone Springdale Mini 1790 FQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Grand Terrace, California, 92313 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center Grand Terrace. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features a maple interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.